Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. Let's take a look and see. Can't exactly remember what it is, or if it was a lot of phones. I don't remember. It's been a while. I ordered a bunch of phones and I kind of forgot about them, and I've been busy with everything else that I haven't had time to look at them. Alright, so it is a lot of phones. Let's take a look. Alright, here we go. These are all Metro PCS phones, I remember. We have a Huawei device that is on Metro PCS. The model number is Huawei M636. No SD card in this one. Looks to be in a really good shape though. Probably not gonna have any power. It does not. Here is a, I don't know what that means, but here's the LG MN270 from 2012 it looks like. No SD card in this. It's probably dead. It is a slider device. Looks to be in really good shape. It's got most of the plastic still on it. Here is a Samsung. I actually have one of these on Altel. SCHR 250. I think I have it on Altel. Let's see. Put this back cover back on. No SD card. This one's got some power in it. Here's a Nokia on Metro. It is the Nokia 2125i. It's got a good battery, it looks like. And it is completely dead. Here's this one. Seems to be working. Let's see if it's been reset. Yep, looks like it's been reset as well. And this is the one that I actually bought the lot for. It is a Motorola device. Motorola VE440. So it's a very interesting phone. I haven't really seen any of them. So I went in and got this one for that reason. I don't know if the power key's here or if it doubles as the lock button. I'm not too sure. It's got a glass that's plastic, or a plastic display. Yeah, it might be plastic. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.